Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss can you hide the Instagram account from everyone without deleting it, which means if you want to hide your account from everyone on Instagram, and you do not want to deactivate or delete your account, so how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on profile here, and here you have to simply click on three lines. In three lines you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of account privacy. So here you can simply turn on the private account, so that you can simply convert your account to private account, so that no one will be able to contact you without your permission, but your followers which you have already followed you can see the things you upload on Instagram. So in this way you cannot hide your Instagram properly from everyone. So if you want to hide your Instagram account from everyone, so how you gonna do that? So there is the only option that you can use is you have to simply deactivate or delete your account. For this you can simply use the method which is as deactivating or deleting the account. But if you do not want to use it, then you can simply go to your following. Then you can simply click on here, and one by one you can simply remove them from your following list, or you can simply mute them. In this way you can hide your account from Instagram from everyone without deactivating or deleting. So hope you have liked this video. When I get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.